Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at price predictions for Bitcoin. Can we expect to see a $50,000 Bitcoin before the end of the year, and furthermore a $180,000 Bitcoin in the bull run? Really interested to get your views and opinions on this matter in the comments below, but we're going to dig into this and the biggest headlines in the crypto space. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And why not jump down into the Discord? Link is in the description of this video. It's free to join the Discord. Over 7,000 people supporting one another navigate this space safely. It's an immense community and it's definitely worth immersing yourself and having more meaningful conversations with Nick, myself and our team in the Discord. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally sat at $1.4 trillion, down 0.88% at the time of recording. Bitcoin at 36,555.07, up 5.03% in the last 7 days. Really interesting to see how this market develops. Nick and myself have been calling for a sell-off, and I think it has just started, and we're going to dig into that in a moment. We got Ethereum sat at 2,043.44, up 9.02% in the last 7 days. So it's great to see this. The market is, I guess, having an influx of people that left the space coming back after leaving in probably the worst time to leave. And that is the bear market. A lot of people are going to miss the huge amounts of opportunity that they had to dollar cost average into the market, which is a real shame. And maybe one day they will learn. But, people that stayed through this bear market, this whole length of this bear market, I think are going to be very, very successful in this space. But you can let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Right, let's move on. We've got XRP spikes 15%. This is because the community seemed to be confused whether spot ETF filing for XRP is true or not. Now, I kind of want to have my say on this, and that is pretty much that I don't believe that this is factual. I think that this is just fake news. I think it's market manipulation. We saw the price go up. We saw the price come back down. But, ultimately, I don't see any institution looking to file for an XRP spot ETF whilst we've got the SEC lawsuit going on with Ripple. I think that is a big no-no. So for me, it's not true. But yeah, we'll see how things progress over time. Moving on, we've got FTX moves $13.54 million worth of Solana amid the stalled rally. Now, this is something that, again, I've talked about quite a few times. I've talked about the fact that we kind of expect, I guess, FTX to be selling into this rally, right? I think that we're heading down, right? I think this is just one more sign that suggests just that, exactly what we've been telling you. And you couple that with Bitcoin whales going on a massive selling spree. We saw one whale selling I think it was like 444 Bitcoin, stupid amount of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin sold. I think he has 111 left still to sell. So look, whales are selling, preparing to sell. So I think we're close to seeing the end of this potential rally. But you can let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Talking about all the price predictions for Bitcoin, I think we do have to look at things like the Bitcoin spot ETF. I do think that there is an argument to have whether Bitcoin or Ethereum spot ETF is going to have which one of those assets is it going to have the biggest impact on price discovery. Personally, I think that we could see a much, higher X return on Ethereum getting a spot ETF than Bitcoin. But, the buzz is all around Bitcoin really at the moment. But yeah, look, Coinbase are telling us that the Bitcoin spot ETFs will introduce crypto to a broader investment base. This is basically, your retirement funds, banking, all sorts of different, very wealthy companies and individuals will basically be able to, get into broader assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum and any other spot ETFs that do creep up over time. I do think that we will see a Chainlink spot ETF. I do think we will see an XRP spot ETF at some point. And that's why, in my opinion, it's probably worth accumulating some of these, coins and tokens over time. But obviously, this is just for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Treat this, with a pinch of salt. Go do your own research and perhaps even engage your own financial advisor. Now, let's move on. Let's get into some of this other stuff. We've got a Bitcoin prediction of $180,000. Crypto analyst Hendrik is talking about basically Bitcoin getting up to anywhere between $170,000 and $180,000, with a minimum being $115,000. He's been sort of looking at the 2016 and 2018 cycle peaks where we saw a 95-fold growth. He said yes, he expects to see a recession hit and risk assets crash. And this is what we've been talking about before on this channel. I say before, been talking about this a lot on the channel. That is that we do expect the Fed to pivot and an almighty crash in risk assets. That's Bitcoin, that is Ethereum, that is altcoins. Now, we expect this to happen. We expect that to be the final opportunity to be buying those lows. Now, what I'm going to tell you now is the next pullback, a lot of people won't be buying it because they think that it's going to zero. This is going to be, in my opinion, the final opportunity to get in and get some really good prices on altcoins, Ethereum and Bitcoin. This, for me, that we're experiencing now is just a bear market rally. We experience these through many different cycles. And if you're new here, this is going to be a real educational piece for you. You've got to make sure you are following the right people in this crypto space. We've called pretty much every sort of significant pullback in this market. We've talked about, the lower lows. We've called those accurately throughout this bear market, calling FTX before, most, if not all people, before the CEO of Binance called it. We called it, highlighting the opportunity to basically short Solana and FTT. All this information is time-stamped in our Discord. Go check it out, free to join. So, look, I think that we are going to see these sorts of numbers if the Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs are agreed. We are going to start to see a lot of money come rolling into crypto. We've gone over that one. We've got Bitcoin price is on track to hit $50,000, says a prominent crypto analyst. Again, this is a more shorter term price prediction, probably before the end of the year. Bitcoin spot ETF applications could be approved by the US SEC by November 17th, fueling a Bitcoin price rally, something that we have sort of flagged and could actually happen. Now, yeah, look, I think that it's, like I say, a bear market rally. I do expect that pullback, but at the same time, I think that we are going to have that crash, which will be the final opportunity to get in. Now, I do want to mention we do have a few stake pools, one of them being a Cardano stake pool. If you are a Cardano holder, why not stake to the Cheek pool? We have over 7.8 million ADA staked with us already. We are going to be supporting the midnight airdrop. We're not sure when the snapshot is going to be. Not all pools will be partaking in supporting midnight. There is extra infrastructure that needs to be put into place. So, why not stake, move over now, make sure that you don't miss that snapshot. So look, that's everything that I wanted to cover in today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.